Hey guys, this is Maddie with Brinkley RV, and today we're in our Model Z 2680. Here to show you how to operate our Z Dinesk that we've got. This is also going to be available in the 2670 model. Now the benefit of this Dinesk is that it really opens up the floor plan space, especially in the 2680. So you can get nice walking space, your table will be out of the way, or when you want it, you can pull it out multiple positions to give you a really versatile Dinesk to use. So for starters, this is gonna be your starting location, your travel mode here. You will have a latch off to the side that you have to lift up. It does have a magnet that will allow you to have easy access, so it's out of the way when you're moving around your Dinesk. First position I'm going to show you is sliding all the way to the left. Now you can pull this out or keep it in, but having it in this position here or all the way to the right gives you nice, easy access to the storage underneath that you've got. Next up, we've got our center position, and then you can pull it all the way out. And then you've got a extendable leaf. So you can set this, and then you'll want to line up the holes with these knobs that you've got. Put it in place. You can leave it fully extended. You can go in a little bit. Nice thing about this is that it allows you to have additional seating. So here you can have up to 4 seats. We do provide you 2 folding chairs, and then we also provide you 2 storage ottomans that work as stools. Another benefit of having it in this position is you got 2 utensil storage drawers here. They do have a removable insert, so you can just use it as a normal drawer as well. And also don't forget about when you take this leaf out, you do have additional storage there. Perfect for card games or placemats, whatever you'd like.